Skipper, look. Analysis. It looks like a small incandescent bulb, designed to indicate something on the order. Function.
I found it pretty and someone had not.
That too, sir. Right. Rico. Manual.
Problemo solved.
Sir, we may be out of fuel.
What makes you think that?
We've lost it.
Thing I've ever seen.
No, not drunk.
Buckle up, boys. Don't look dull. This might get hairy.
All right, Blue, you're flying. Sort of. Not really, but do you feel it?
Yes. I do feel it.
Attention! This is your captain speaking. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is we'll be landing immediately. Bad news is we're crash landing. When it comes to air travel, we know you have no choice whatsoever. But thanks again for choosing airfare with.
You love the beach, or a good book on the beach.
My goodness, doll, you're shaking like a leaf. Rico, you've had your fun. Pull up. You down. Get me, man. You just want to kiss the ground. Just a little peck. A smooch like you're kissing your sister. I said kiss her. Now just a little break. Just a touch. A little whistle. I believe that's checkmate. Winds emergency landing procedure. Flaps up. Deploy.
You did not feel it in here.
You think?
Oh, we're here. What in the world? What happened to the plane? What did y'all do to the plane? See, I can't even sleep.
Wow.
And you know what? This is not JFK.
Awesome. Casualty. Only 2 passengers on a capsule, Skipper.
That's a number I can live with. Good landing, boys. Who says a penguin can't fly?
Hey, happy slappers. Is there some reason to celebrate? Look at the plane.
We'll fix it.
Fix it? How are you going to fix this?
Sprint, spin, and a whole lot of ducting. We should be up and running in, say, 6 to 9 months.
69 months?
No, 6 to 9 months.
Walsky,
I say we use this setback to our advantage.
where do you pull that number out of, huh?
Want you to reconfigure the
Great,
design.
great.
So start reconfiguring.
How do you estimate that?
You, pretty boy. Why don't you and your friends dig a latrine? Maybe find water.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Who made you king of the plane wreck?
Excuse me? Fine. You can be in charge. You fix the plane.
Who gives you the authority to put me in charge?
Okay then, I'll remain in charge.
Yeah, that's right. You will remain in charge.
You and your little hippie friends can stay out of our hair.
Correctamundo. Because I decided to.
Good for you.
Yeah, well, guess what? This discussion isn't over.
Iron Mammal, you stay with us. We could use your front cortexes, opposable thumb.
Phil, I should wash your hands out with syrup.